Put some oil in the pan and start the curry. Some oil for cook the curry. A little bit of oil. Curry chicken. Here's the chicken I washed earlier. Here's the seasoning. That's the potato I'm gonna cut up. We use this salt right here. Okay. This is onion and garlic and scallion. Grind up with some water, onion, garlic, and pepper. Put some turmeric. Some curry powder. Here. Masala. Put some salt. Let's mix it up and the curry. Okay. Potato, like bungee with the chicken for a few minutes, and then I release its own water.
Oh wait, I know him. He's the same guy who got a basketball goal in the